Pass me at the church. We're passing Pulaski Chase. Speed is 75, no traffic. Is it getting on 30? Okay, very good. We're trying to Alexander Road. Speed is 30 right now. No traffic at all. Hey, which way are you going on Alexander?
Going towards Highway 5.
Speed 45, no traffic. Back up, we got stop sign.
Going east on Stagecoach.
Good spike. We're going eastbound Stagecoach. Speed 66, light traffic. State Bend primary.
11 Little Rock on primary.
Good work, Lou.
Attempted a TVI, successful this time. Approaching Otter Creek.
I'll be on the TVI approaching Otter Creek.
Passing Waffle House. And we're passing Otter Creek Parkway. TVI right here at Chateaus. Chateaus and Otter Creek.
Get out on foot. Something TV on Otter Creek.
Show me your fucking hands, dude. Show me your hands. Hands. Come out on your face. Come out on your face right now. On your face. On your face. On your face. Yeah. I'm out the door. Hands in the small of your back right now. Hands in the small of your back. Where's your weapon at?
I don't have none.
You got
I'm done. I ain't got.
Where's your gun at?
Where's
your gun at? Stop lying to me.
That's my
Where's your gun at? Where's your gun at?
I don't have one, sir. I'm done free. I'm free.
Okay. Any weapons on you? If you lie to me,
I promise
you're catching a felony. Do you understand?
I'm not lying to you. I know, sir. I don't carry a gun.
Yeah.
I'm on parole. I don't have no weapons like drunk was because I'm on parole.
Little Rock. Hey, Little Rock. We're 10-4, no damage. Team dumpsters. What's up, buddy? Let me stop this video real quick. Restart it. Say what? We do.